Hi everyone, Josie here from Live at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have a Target Dollar Spot or Target Bullseye Playground haul for you all. All the items that I purchased will be used for decorating our home for winter. So let me start off with my $1 finds, and then I will gradually go up higher, and the highest ticket item here is $7. I'll start off with this mini balls, and as you could see, comparing it to the size of my fingers, these are quite small. And I have 10 pieces here of silver balls. So they're breakables. They come in gold and silver and also the traditional red and green. I got two for $1 on this one. The Dollar Tree sells them in silver as well, but I don't think I've seen them with glitter. So I figured I'm gonna try the tea lights that the Dollar Spot or the Target Bullseye for Playground sells, so I got two of them. And these are the glass ornaments. So I got 3 styles, and let me just show you. There's a silver ribbon attached, and it's about probably 3 inches in diameter. And this first scene here has the woodland theme, you know, with the reindeer, the mom and the child deer, and then also some trees, right? And some, you know, dots that kind of depict snow. And then here are 3 trees, you know, pine trees, winter trees, and there are some snow also. And the color of the glass is this color, okay, with some kind of frosted finish here in white. And then this one has the snowflakes, and it says "Let It Snow." Okay, so these are the 3 styles again. Let me show you. I got this too, and they're not displayed as ornaments, so they're, because they don't have any strings, but you can certainly hot glue string or ribbons there, but they're $1 each. You can probably, if you build a miniature village, you can put this there too. Not quite sure about the measurement. I think it's like 2 inches in width and then about 1.5 inches, 2 inches wide, I would say, yeah, on each one. So this is more like, I mean, this is so popular. The red trucks with the tree right now is so popular. Actually, every season, even in fall, they just carry pumpkins. Okay, but the red trucks is so popular. And then, of course, because I like this sort of color, I took this anyway. And this one is more like a station wagon. Okay, this is supposed to be wood finish there, but yeah, I like the color as well. This is the last piece. I could have purchased more. This is the last roll that is in a black and white buffalo check gift wrapper. I could use this for my crafting and also my decorations, my DIYs. I think the Dollar Tree sells them also in different colors of buffalo checks, like the red and the black. And I think they also have this color. I like this. And then I have these 2 white trees for $1 as well. These are the bottle brush trees. They come in different colors, but I only got the white frosted ones. Going on to my $3 is the bigger version of that, which is more than, look at this, the size, the bottle brush, the bigger one. This looks like not just $3 in some stores, to be honest. I think this is a good price for $3. Okay. This one is $3. There are 4 words here, and they come in 2 each. So, believe, joy, merry, and Christmas. This garland, and this is 19.7 feet, 6 meters in length. These are the smaller leaves, so I can really have fun with this, and this is only $3. Okay, I got this one too. I don't want to show my reflection, but this is a mirror, and it says "Let It Snow," and I like the frame that it comes in this color, my favorite color, and also the words "Let It Snow" is in my favorite color. I found these houses, and I got 3 of them. Well, this comes also in black and galvanized tin color. but I picked white. I can use this all throughout the year, not only during winter. And I can probably put one on top of our mantle, our fireplace mantle, and then one probably on a console table, and then maybe one as a centerpiece, part of a centerpiece on a dining table. So I can definitely use them, but I'll just show you how. I think I opened up one here, how they look like. I think there are 6 houses here. Let me just show you. Yes, there are 6 panels of houses. They are similar to each other, and then what you do is you kind of prop it up like that, put some tea lights, maybe votive candles, you know, that you can get at the Dollar Tree, or this ones, because they come also in gold or whatever color, and then just put some greenery and then just prop it up there. Or if you don't want to control all the tea lights, just probably put a strip of your LED lights and that'll look good as well. Speaking of houses, I cannot help myself, okay? This is where the galvanized tin is gonna come out, because they come only in galvanized tin. So I got 3. I don't know if there's a 4th style, to be honest, because there were only 4 pieces remaining in our Target dollar spot, and there were 2 of this, which is, I think, the one that you see on the bridge, right? And then, or you could probably, maybe this is also, wait, it's not a bridge because it's closed here, so it's a barn, okay? So this one is a barn. This one is a house with a chimney, right? And this one is a taller, skinnier house without a chimney. They do sell fast. And like I said, I like this, and I can paint this any finish I want, but I think I'm gonna leave this raw, meaning galvanized, because the rooftop is painted white and it's textured and kind of like felt like glittery in a way, so that depicts the snow. And I can just put some votive candles again inside, the tea light candles inside. So those are the last $3 items, so let's just go and bump up to the $5 items. I found this one. This is a wireless charger, and this one is good for iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and iPhone 10, and Samsung 6, 7, and 8. So Android devices. Charges through most phone cases. Piece of tablecloth. And I don't really know if this is for the holidays or this was a leftover from fall. Just took it anyway because it looks like it's gonna be good on top of the table, especially our family room or kitchen table, which I'm going to be donning or decorating in farmhouse. So it is, yeah, it is actually huge. This is the code here, 234220539. Okay, and that's the measurement there. You can see 44 inches by 44 inches, so it's a square. I think this find is probably my favorite of all finds on this haul, and this is the one. Oh wow, this is actually 8 by 20, so that's how long it is. It won't even fit in one shot here, but as you can see, this is real wood. And this is about 2 inches or 2.5 inches deep, and it's shallow enough that you can still see the decoration. So if you're going to prop up your tray with several houses, like this 3 houses here, and then probably put some greenery in it, and I'll probably put this tall one in the middle, you know, and then I'll put some tea lights inside the houses, and then I'm probably going to put some greenery on the surroundings. That is a good centerpiece on its own. I can use all year round, so all the seasons I can decorate this. Okay, and then lastly, I have a $7 item here. I kind of want this to be added onto the arm of one of the couches, so the long or the sofa seat, I will add this, and this is $7. Okay, 99% acrylic, 1% other fibers, and you can wash it cold, do not bleach, and you can drip dry. Yeah, so I think this one is, they call it the ladies blanket scarf. Okay, because it's as long, or it can be a blanket and it can be a scarf as well that you can wear during winter season or even fall because it's getting colder, right? So yeah. Okay, so that's my haul for today, everyone. And thanks for joining me here today. I hope you all are having a great day so far. And I'm leaving you with some of the photos that I took of the other items there, but I didn't get. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to click subscribe and that notification bell so that you will not miss any of my new uploads. I will have more DIYs decorating for winter coming up soon, and I will be using some of the items that I purchased today and also from my Dollar Tree hauls, and some of them I will DIY. So stay tuned for those. And take care, everyone. I hope to talk to you again on my next video. Bye bye.